Hello, my dear lovely friends. Today I am here to make to show you how to put effect on text in Adobe After Effects. Just type click here and export video or intros where you wanna make and where you wanna make your text dance. Just create new composition and just click here. Type text hello we in love and you can change fonts by coming here. Let's change color by selecting. Let's change color. It's our color. Let's select text and increase a little bit. Our outer color is 6 px. We can decrease it and increase it. We can do this, everything we can do in Adobe After Effects. About text, we can change fonts. If you wanna change font of L and you don't wanna change font of O, then we can do that also. Just by this you can change its color, you can change its fonts, everything you want. Let's move this love. First we need to come here, transform, and position, and then up to here. Let's move this text here to here. It's kind of robotically moving. So to make natural movements of text, just select like this both and press F9 and it's done. Look it, it's moved way natural than before. And we wanna apply effect on this text. We will apply effect on this text. Just go to the left side, effect and presence. If you don't find it, then you can simply go to the window and enable effect and presence from here, and just go to the animation presence, text, 3D text. You can, it's Adobe After Effects got many text effects, 3D text, animated inert, all these are the effects for text. Edit. Let's do it. Fly camera. Let's see how it moves. Look how we easily change the text effect in Adobe After Effects, which will help you to change your which will help you to make logo and make videos in for your projects. Look, it's very easy. This all effect you can apply in a text transition. You can apply, you can put sound effect. Adobe After Effects got many features. Let's type another text. Let's type CARTGLY and I already told you how to change fonts, and just type shift to increase, and then let's apply another effect on this. Let's graphical green dots hardly. Let's check it. It's also an effect. This effect also you can apply in Adobe After Effects in text. Isn't it cool, guys? It's cool. Adobe After Effects is very powerful software. You can easily make your intros, outros, and anything. Masking, 3D effects, VFX. Okay friends, this was for today. If you like my video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because that will motivate me to make more videos like this.